Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If your mouse cursor is stuck in the center of the screen and not moving, do not worry. This is a common issue and can be fixed with a few simple methods. In this video, I will show you how to fix mouse cursor stuck in the center of the screen. First, try enabling and disabling your touchpad. On your laptop keyboard, press the touchpad key. This is usually one of the function keys like F5, F6, or F7. You may also need to press the Fn key together with the function key. Turn the touchpad off and then turn it back on. Now check if your cursor starts moving. If this does not work, the next method is to force restart your device. Press and hold the power button for about 30 seconds. Even if the screen turns off, keep holding the button. After that, release the button and turn your computer back on. Now check if the mouse cursor is working. If the issue is still not fixed, open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Click on the drop-down next to Mice and Other Pointing Devices. Right-click on your mouse device and select Uninstall Device. Confirm the uninstall. Now restart your computer. After restarting, Windows will automatically reinstall the mouse driver. Your mouse cursor should now move normally. That is how you fix mouse cursor stuck in the center of the screen. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro for more PC troubleshooting tutorials.